Hello MathType users! In this video, we're going to show you step by step how to create the quadratic formula equation using the MathType add-in for Microsoft Word. We start by opening the MathType add-in and clicking on Insert Math, which opens the formula editor. From here, we can enter simple expressions using the keyboard, for example, x equals. And then when we come across a mathematical expression, we'll use the expression toolbar at the top of the editor. In this case, we insert the fraction symbol, place -b in the numerator, then add the plus minus symbol, followed by the square root symbol. Inside the square root symbol for b squared, we can either use the existing symbol or use the keyboard shortcut Control plus the up arrow, which automatically creates the superscript. Then we add b squared minus 4ac. We move down to the denominator, add 2a, and that's it. We can insert the equation. Besides appearing this way, this equation can also be edited using the same formula editor. If we click on the equation, we'll see that the panel changes to Edit Math instead of Insert Math, and we can make any edits we want. For example, imagine that now we want the variables that change in the equation to be colored red. We can access each variable individually and change their color one by one so that our students can more clearly see which expressions we are referring to.